Avoiding financial traps, a story of wise choices. Join Aarav, Ramesh, and Kapoor on a journey to make informed financial decisions and sidestep the pitfalls of excessive debt. In a bustling city, three friends embarked on their careers: Aarav, Ramesh, and Kapoor. Fresh out of college, they landed good jobs and were eager to chase their dreams. However, their paths diverged when it came to financial choices. Aarav, the enthusiast, was quick to celebrate his new job by purchasing a brand new car. He felt a sense of accomplishment, driving around in his shiny possession. However, this decision soon led to hefty monthly EMIs and limited flexibility in his finances. Ramesh, on the other hand, approached his financial journey with caution. He had a dream of owning a house, but instead of taking out a massive home loan, he decided to save and invest patiently. While it took time to accumulate the funds, Ramesh emerged debt-free, and his dream home became a reality without the burden of mortgage payments. Kapoor observed his friend's choices and decided to take the middle path. He considered their experiences and learned from them. Kapoor wanted a secure financial future without compromising on enjoying life in the present. He managed his expenses wisely, setting aside funds for emergencies and investing in opportunities that would help him grow. As the years passed, Aarav continued to struggle with EMIs, while Ramesh enjoyed the comfort of his debt-free home. Kapoor found himself steadily building wealth without the stress of financial burdens. The three often met to share their experiences, and Aarav admired Ramesh's foresight and Kapoor's balanced approach to life. Aarav soon realized that there was more to life than flashy possessions, and Ramesh felt grateful for his debt-free status. Kapoor knew that his well-planned financial decisions would help him achieve his dreams in due course. The story of Aarav, Ramesh, and Kapoor is a testament to the value of informed financial choices. While Aarav learned the importance of managing debt wisely, Ramesh understood the power of patience in achieving dreams. Kapoor found his financial sweet spot by striking a balance between present enjoyment and future security. As their stories come to a close, we see the powerful impact of weaving smart money habits into the fabric of our lives. Learning from the experiences of Aarav, Ramesh, and Kapoor, we are reminded of the significance of making informed financial decisions to navigate the complexities of our financial journey. It's a timeless and powerful message of financial wisdom that can shape our path to financial success. Revelations. What is it? Managing finances wisely is like navigating a path. Each choice you make shapes your financial journey, leading you toward or away from your goals. Why is it important? Understanding the impact of financial choices helps you avoid unnecessary debt, achieve your dreams, and build a secure financial future. How to get started? Start by analyzing your financial goals and considering the consequences of your choices. Develop a balanced approach that considers both present enjoyment and future security. The point: making informed financial decisions can lead to a brighter, more secure financial future. The end.